Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a lemon blueberry dessert. The first thing I'm going to do is put my graham cracker crumbs in. And this is 3 cups. And then I'm going to put 3/4 cups of butter in. And mix this all up. I hope y'all all are having good weather today. It's been raining in Georgia all week, and it's cloudy right now. We're supposed to get some more rain, but I know a lot of people throughout the country is kind of in a drought. So I hope y'all get some good rains too soon. Okay. I think I got all this butter mixed in now. Make sure that it got down to the bottom. Okay. I believe it did. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm going to put this in a 9 by 13 inch pan, glass baking dish. Okay, now then I'm going to spread this all out on the bottom. Okay, all right, that's good enough. So I'm going to wash my hands right quick. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it firm up a little bit. And I made my crust, and so I put it in the refrigerator, and so now I'm going to be making my filling. Okay, I'm going to be using my KitchenAid, and I've only used it a couple of times. I got this for Christmas, so I thought it would come in handy on this recipe today. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in 2 cream cheeses. Check it out. Okay, I put in my 2 cream cheeses, so now I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of sugar. Okay. Okay. All right, now then I'm going to add in my lemon juice and milk. I thought I got all those little seeds out, but that one got away. Okay, so now I'm adding my milk. Okay, that looks good now. So now I'm going to be adding in my pudding mixture. So, okay, it's thick now, and so it's ready to put in my pie crust. Okay, all right, it's nice and fluffy now, so I'm going to put it by dollops on my pie crust. A lot of people don't get their stand mixers out because it's too much trouble. And I think that's why I don't get mine out too. But I will say that I did like the way that I didn't have to stand here beating it. That was nice. Get this over here just a little bit closer to me. I think this is going to be a cool, refreshing dessert for summertime too. Okay. Now then I'm going to spread this out. Now then, I'm going to put my blueberry pie filling and dollops on top of my pie filling. Okay, so now I'm going to try to spread this evenly on top. My blueberry pie filling. To make this go even easier, you could put this back in the refrigerator and let it get cold a little bit before you start this step, and it would help it spread evenly. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my whipped topping on. So I'll be back in just a minute. Forgot to get it out. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Cool Whip topping on. Okay, try to spread this evenly. This has to chill for several hours before it'll be ready. But it's one dessert I'm going to be looking forward to today. Okay, let me try something. Okay, and now then I'm going to put on my graham crackers. You can put as much as you want, but I think that looks good enough. Okay, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for several hours, and so when it gets ready, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. My dessert's been in the refrigerator for several hours now, so it's time to do the taste test. So let me cut out a piece. Okay. Turn it around this way so I can get it out. Okay. Right, here's my lemon blueberry dessert. So I'm going to do my taste test now. That is really delicious. It's so cool and refreshing too. This right here would be a great summertime dessert to make, and it'll set up a lot better if you keep it probably overnight and eat it the next day. But mine's been in there several hours now, and it's still set up pretty good. So if y'all make this dessert, I'm sure you're really going to love it. It's really cool and refreshing tasting for summer. So y'all, do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
When I close my